In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the importance of balanced nutrition. Our busy schedules often lead us to rely on convenience foods, skip meals, or indulge in unhealthy snacks, frequently without realizing the significant impact these choices can have on our overall health and well-being. Eating well is more than just a strategy for weight management. It's essential for fueling our bodies with the right nutrients, which supports physical health, mental clarity, and emotional stability. Proper nutrition is the foundation of a vibrant and productive life, influencing everything from our energy levels to our mood and long-term disease prevention. Understanding balanced nutrition involves consuming the appropriate proportions of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals to meet our body's needs. Each of these macronutrients plays a critical role in maintaining health. Carbohydrates are our primary energy source, essential for powering daily activities and cognitive functions. Proteins are crucial for repairing tissues and building muscles, while healthy fats support cell function and hormone production. Vitamins and minerals are vital for a range of bodily processes, including immune function, bone health, and wound healing. Achieving a balanced diet requires variety because no single food can provide all the nutrients we need. According to the dietary guidelines for Americans, half of our plate should be filled with fruits and vegetables, with the remaining half including whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This balance helps maintain a healthy weight, reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers, and promotes overall health. Nutrient-dense foods can lower cholesterol, regulate blood pressure, and strengthen bones. Moreover, research shows that diets high in processed foods and sugars can contribute to depression and anxiety, whereas whole, nutrient-rich foods can enhance mood and emotional well-being. For instance, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and walnuts are known to alleviate symptoms of depression. Maintaining a balanced diet at work presents its own set of challenges. However, making informed snack choices is crucial for sustaining energy levels, boosting productivity, and enhancing overall well-being throughout the workday. Healthy snacking can provide a steady release of energy, preventing the common mid-morning or afternoon slump often caused by sugary or high-carb snacks. It also improves concentration and focus. Diets rich in antioxidants and healthy fats protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, thereby enhancing cognitive function. Foods such as fatty fish, nuts, berries, and leafy greens help keep you alert and engaged. Furthermore, snacks rich in vitamins and minerals can help stabilize blood sugar levels, thereby regulating mood and reducing stress. Healthy snacking can also assist in weight management by preventing overeating during main meals, contributing to better overall health. Additionally, snacks high in vitamins and antioxidants can fortify the immune system, helping you stay healthy and productive. To make the most of your snacks at work, planning ahead is essential. Preparing lunches and snacks in advance can help you avoid the temptation of vending machines and unhealthy options. Choose whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Balance macronutrients by combining protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to keep you full and satisfied. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating. Using small containers or snack-sized bags can assist with this. Stay hydrated, as dehydration can affect energy levels, mood, and cognitive function. Keeping a water bottle at your desk can help ensure you're drinking enough throughout the day. Snack ideas: fresh fruits, apples, bananas, berries, and oranges provide natural sweetness and fiber. Vegetables, carrot sticks, cucumber slices, cherry tomatoes, and bell peppers paired with hummus offer crunch and nutrients. Nuts and seeds: almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds provide healthy fats and protein. Whole grains, crackers, rice cakes, and oatmeal packets are great sources of complex carbohydrates. Protein-rich options: Greek yogurt, cheese sticks, hard-boiled eggs, and lean deli meat slices are excellent for muscle repair and sustained energy. By making mindful snack choices and incorporating balanced nutrition into your daily routine, you can enhance your energy, productivity, and overall health, setting the stage for a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come.